Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we got another little interesting beard oil for you today from beardgains.com. Hopefully you can see that. So stay tuned. After we roll that intro, I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of this one. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Sorry for that little lighting snafu a moment ago, but we got that thing corrected. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking time to watch this video. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose one of ours. Now, for you first-time guys and you long-time viewers, man, here's an easy way to make yourself feel really happy today. I think it's going to be right down there. Going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, click on subscribe. It'll make you feel better, and it will make me feel better as well. Alright, as we saw in that opening, we're going to take a look at beardgains.com Pristine Beard Oil. Now, this one I ordered off of Amazon, which is why you see that massive little frickin' label messing up really cool artwork on the very front of, the bottle. I have to give Beard Gains credit. Their artwork on their bottles is just amazing. It flat out is. We've brought some of their stuff to the channel before, and if you look up top, you're going to see a little card popping up. That'll bring you to every single beard review we've ever done. There's at least a couple more in there that you're going to find, and I'm going to shoot another one here in just a moment. So that'll be 4 will have been brought to the channel. Now, I found them via a Facebook ad. I don't know, it's kind of weird. You guys have those experiences too, right? Like when you're talking to your better half about something, or you're just discussing something, or surfing, and then all of a sudden Facebook gives you 50,000 freaking ads for what you were looking for. That's how I found them. They are made in the USA out of North Carolina. Now, with this one, this is what they call their bedrock backbone product. This is the one where they say it started it all and put them on the map. So this is their numero uno favorite thing in the world. This one helped them coin their phrase, it's made for a man, but loved by women. It's seriously a really neat cologne-y scent. It's not overpowering. It's not punch you in the face kind of thing. Like, people in the 90s that used to bathe in your car that, like, you could smell them 20 miles away. It's cologne-y, but it's not death by cologne, if you can understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it's a neat scent to it. Now, hopefully you can see that, and it's not bleeding out. It is got a golden tinge to the oil, and the oil is kind of light to medium weight, which means it's not really runny, but it's not like, 10W40 sitting right in your hands. And yes, I'm still seeing it. Damn it. Sorry, I got stress going on, and it's causing patchy, but, I'll get that under control. As you saw, it does come in basically a black bottle, but I'm wondering how much of that is a sticker, because you can see where the white kind of bleeds into the top. No big deal. And it's got the little eyedropper. Now, before we get into all the other fun stuff, guys, if you're unsure about beard oil, it's kind of like a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your body can only produce so much natural oils in order to keep your skin healthy, growing regularly, and all that other fun stuff like avoiding split ends and, the wild curly crap. Beard oil helps get in there and help nourish your skin. It's more for the skin under your beard than it is for your beard. It just gives you that added bonus of putting a good smell in there, giving it a good shine, just making everything wonderful. If you're unsure about how to use it, like I showed you, this one has a dropper. Okay? You just basically squeeze in the amount you need, put it in your hands, or I should say dump it in your hands, rub your hands together, work it in, from the bottom to the top, and right back down. Especially that little area under there where they call it, the dead zone. Work it in there as well and just comb it out. That way it's going to coat everywhere, coat evenly, and it's going to help nourish everything. Now, on prices, there is a huge dramatic difference from buying with beardgains.com and Amazon.com. Now, I bought this one on Amazon, which you can tell by that damn label, because I brought one to the channel before. It was the presidential, and it didn't have that frickin' label on there because I bought that from Beard Gains. The Valhalla in this one that I bought from Amazon has that stupid frickin' sticker on there blocking some incredible artwork. Now, the pricing. You can buy this in 3 different bottles. You can buy it in a half ounce, 1 ounce, and 3 ounce. The half ounce on Beard Gains is going to run you $9.09. The 1 ounce is going to cost you $15.39. And like I showed in the presidential oil, and you can go back to that card and check that one out because the free leather case is in there. And you only get that when you buy from beardgains.com. That's $15.39. Like I said, and you get a free leather case. And the 3 ounce bottle, which they call their refill bottle, is $31.49. Now, over on Amazon, for the half ounce, it's $12.99. 1 ounce is $16.99 and no free leather case. And the 3 ounce is $44.99. Amazon, it's got a really positive rating of 4.3 stars out of 5 with 37 reviews. Okay. Now, I know you guys are wondering the ingredients. This is one thing about Beard Gains I've never understood. They give you 3 carrier oils and they hide everything else. They tell you this oil is based off of grapeseed oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil. And the fragrance oils are very, very super secret, but ultra spendy, and ultra top of the line, and ultra research, and ultra this, and ultra that, and ultra whatever. I get it, all right? You don't want other companies going, hey, if they're using this, they're using that, they're using here, they're using there, I'm going to copy it. But for people who have certain allergies and don't want to drop $20 on your oil to put it on their skin and break out hives everywhere or have a potential anaphylactic, thing, it's kind of like, what the F, boys? Come on. I like the fact they say it's designed to last all day. It doesn't. Hour or 2 at most with the scent. The oil stays in there and it gives you a great, feeling, but the scent profile, maybe an hour, maybe 2. And that's just with my beard. But there we go. My very quick look, at beardgains.com, Pristine. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever. Everything down below in the comments section. I'm going to get back with you and we're going to have a great talk about this guy. I especially want to know, have you used Beard Gains before? Do you have any experiences with Beard Gains? Good, bad, ugly, whatever. I'd like to know, because my experience with them has been overwhelmingly positive. I don't agree with some of the scents, like the Valhalla that I brought to the channel. I don't think Vikings with orange and honey, but I bought it. I use it. It's part of the fun. All right, let's do the wrap up here, guys. So for you first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I'd like to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view this video. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to say it again because it's truthful. It means a lot to me that you're watching this video. There's so many options out there, and I'm flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers who didn't do it in the beginning, and you long-time viewers who didn't do it in the beginning, here's your second chance at redemption. Right down below, I believe it's going to be in that corner, is going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've beat up the subscribe button, go ahead and kill its little brother, the bell icon. Why? It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that I upload a brand new video to this channel. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at beardgains.com, Pristine Beard Oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.